Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys. In this video, I'm going to explain you the chilled water air cooled chiller valve package. So in the previous tutorials, I have explained the fan coil unit and air handling unit. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you the air cooled chiller valve package. So you can see this one. This is the air cooled chiller, for example, and this is the suction line, or you can say the return line, chilled water return. And this is the chilled water supply. Okay, CHW is nothing but the chilled water supply and return. So you can see in the both line, the supply line, the chilled water return line. First valve is the motorized valve. Okay, motorized valve is used, and then second fitting is external. And here is the test point, and next is the thermometer. And the last is second last is pressure gauge and the flexible connector. In the same way, you can see in the supply line, the first fitting is the isolation valve, which is called gate valve or butterfly valve. And measuring orifice, MS, measuring orifice is, and the second fitting is double regulating valve, DRV. DRV is nothing but it is used to regulate the water flow. That means to balance the water. And temperature sensor is installed in the supply line to show the temperature of the water. Thermometer is also used to see the temperature of the water. And test point, there is the uh, test point which is used to test the water. Okay, and the pressure gauge is also installed in the both line to show the pressure of the water, flow switch and the air vent. Flow switch is monitor the flow, water flow, and then the pump will start. So, and the last fitting is the flexible connector. It can be installed in the line.